Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture on the research paper writing. Today we will discuss about that how you can fit a large table in a paper with the help of the LaTeX. So that's the trick that I will discuss in this lecture is applicable for the Elsevier, Springer, Willett, Taylor, Francis and all the IEEE transition, all these LaTeX templates are there. So let's start with this video. Myself Dr. Garg, working in the School of Mathematics, Thapar Institute, India. You can contact me, either of my email IDs are there if you feel any doubt regarding the LaTeX writing, else you can simply follow this link. So what is my objective of this is there. So if you have some table like this way, so you can see you can see that if I have some table in the LaTeX template, or you can see that this part is outside my page width. So my task of this video is to how you can fit them into the proper page width. So that's my task of this presentation is there. So that's very simple. All of you know that how you can write the table in the LaTeX. So you can start with the begin table, and then caption and the tabular are there. So centering is used when you want to put the table in the center. This caption is used for the table heading, or the captions are there. So how you can put this table into the page width are there. So that's a very simple task. Within one line you can do that. If I just how you can fit them into the page width, you can simply use this command is there. If you are using the one column format, like here you can see this is my paper, so this is the only for the one column format. So how you can do that, you can simply use for the one column, use this command line, resize box text width of this. So where you can use this line, you can simply use this line before the tabular and for the tabular are there. So this inverted, this curly braces and resize box. So look at that. If I just go to the table, and if I just type this as a resize box of this and curly braces, and since this is the begin tabular, so after this end tabular, whatever you have, this is the end tabular, so I have to close this curly braces. So once I will run this file, you may see that this width will automatically be adjusted. So you can see that, look at that, this table is automatically adjusted in there. So this is the way you can do that in your LaTeX window. However, how you can do that in your two column format? What will happen if you convert this manuscript into the two column? We will discuss in our last lecture how you can convert into the two column. I use this one. So you can see once I will write this table, this paper into the two column, you can see that this table is overlapping with the two columns. So look at that, my paper is converted into the two column, but the table is overlapping with the text. So how you can overcome this with the help of the two columns? So in order to use for the two column format, you can simply use the 0.5 of the text width are there. 0.5 is the 50% of them. So once you will use, where you can use them, again you can use before the begin tabular and after the end tabular are there. You can simply use the 0.5 of the text width. So look at that, again now this table is overlapping with the text. So what we can do is, I can simply write here as the 0.5. So what will happen if I run the file, you can see this table is also fit in between the text are there. Also if you want to shrink more, you can use then 0.45. You can see the width will be converted of the table, width of the table will be on the 0.45. Similarly you can move them on the 0.6, that is a 60%, also it will overlap with some of the text. So in the two column you can simply use the 0.5, that is a 50% of the text width are there. So this is a simple way you can use them in your any of the LaTeX template. So in our next class we will see how you can fit and rotate the table vertically in the LaTeX, like see this way, how you can draw the table in the LaTeX and fit on a paper with this table. So this is our next lecture, we will see in our next class. So till then you can simply follow this link, share this video with your other researchers so that they might help for them in research writing. Till then, best of luck students, happy learning.